We are now going to put into practice the notion of enumeration with a quick and very simple exercise. In this exercise, the program will have to show us it's the weekend, it's this day, if it's Saturday or Sunday, and if not, the program will have to show us it's the week, it's Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Everything will depend on the day that you are going to put in the day variable. However, if we change it, the program will have to adapt automatically. And for this exercise, you absolutely need to use the enumeration above, and regarding the display, I will let you look for it. It's very simple. This exercise is very simple. Do not see complications. Pause the video and I will see you right after for the correction. It is time for the correction. I hope you have succeeded. If you haven't, please pay attention to the correction. First of all, we had to think about how your program should work if we are on weekdays or weekends. It was very simple. Here we initialized our first enumeration constant to 1, so that the days of the week don't start at 0, but at 1. Okay, now we know that Friday is the last day of the week, and here it equals to 5, so everything above 5 will correspond to the weekend. We know that when a constant value is strictly greater than 5, then it will be the weekend. What should we do? It's an if, so we put the day variable in parentheses, which stores the enumeration constant, strictly greater than 5. On the other hand, if we decide to proceed this way, will it work? In the previous video, to get the enumeration constant value, we've seen that you had to add parentheses with the int type before the variable to force the conversion into an int, and here it's what we're going to do to perform our condition. Then we had to display it's the weekend, and we had to put either Saturday or Sunday depending on what we are going to put in the day variable. So we had to type console.writeLine, and inside you can choose the display you want, either with the string.format function or with the quotation marks directly. I'm going to use the format function for the weekend, and for the week I will use the basic display. It will allow you to review all the concepts. So in the console.writeLine, I will put the format method belonging to the string class. So type string.format, add parentheses and quotation marks, then type it's the weekend, it's, and here I will put 0 in braces to recover the day variable that I will add after putting the comma, so the program can fit no matter the day we will choose. And after the comma, I will add the day variable. Then you have to display for the days of the week if the if treats all the cases which are greater than 5. Then to have the days of the week, it is necessary the reverse, or we have to do the else, which is going to treat all the other cases less than or equal to 5, because the weekdays values are included between 1 and 5. Finally, you have to display this is the week. So here we need to type console.writeLine, and inside we will use the classic display, so add quotation marks and write it's the week, it is, and outside the quotation marks add a plus sign to concatenate with the day variable. Here with the day variable we will retrieve the name of the constant that we store in day. Now if we run the program, we will have it's the weekend, it's Saturday. Here Saturday is 6, it's greater than 5, which corresponds to the weekend, so the condition is true. We can execute the console.writeLine, and here we can get the name of the constant. If we put Sunday and I run it again, we will have the same result, except that Sunday is displayed instead of Saturday. And if I test now with the day of the week, Wednesday for example, and launch the program, we enter while in the else, since the value constant which corresponds to Wednesday is 3. Here we will test if the if is not strictly greater than 5, so we will enter the else, which treats all the other cases, and execute the instruction in order to display. It's the week, it's Wednesday. As you can see, I used 2 different ways to display it. Both work. However, I will recommend the first method to avoid errors in the display. Indeed, it's easier to visualize the output with the format function, while here we concatenate but we are not sure to get the expected result. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and my explanations were clear. See you next time in a new video.